Welcome back to the virtual class. So today we are taking up with the next concept in the fifth chapter, that is geometric progression. Okay, so see in this the first term I am taking about based on calculation of nth term. Okay, so here find the 9th and 15th term of a series 128, 64, 32 and 16 they have given. Okay, so let us take the given informations aside. So here A is 128 and R, you know how to calculate R, T2 by T1, any term divided by its previous term. So here we have 64 by 128, so you are getting R as 1 by 2. Okay, so they are asking us to find T9, 9th term, and 15th term. So put this as a question mark. Okay, so first we have to take Tn is equal to AR n minus 1. This is a formula we are using it, right? So T9 is equal to A is 128, R is 1 by 2, n is 9. Okay, so here if it is T9, n will become 9, T15, n will become 15. Okay, so n is 9 minus 1, so you are getting 128 1 by 2. See here 9 minus 1 is 8, here also 8 you will get. Okay, so that is equal to 128 1 by 2 to the power 8 is, you are getting 256. So you can easily cancel 128 and 256. 128 ones are 128 twos are, you are getting 256. So here it is, answer is 1 by 2. So that is T9 is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, the same way we have to calculate T15 also. T15 first term is 128 was R is 1 by 2. So here it is 15 minus 1. Okay, so 15 minus 1 is equal to 128 1 by 2, 14, 14. So it is 128 1 by 2 to the power 14 is 16,384 you get. So it is exactly divisible by 128. So you are getting answer 1 by 28. So here the T15 is 1 by 28. So this is how we have to calculate. If they are asking about the calculation of 9, 15, 5th term, 1st term, 2nd, like 3rd term, all that. Okay. So we'll take up the next question. See which term of the geometric progression 96, 48, 24, yes, 3 by 32 they have asked. See which term means they are asking us to find n. So given information, so n they have not given. A is 96, R is 48 by 96. So you are getting here also 1 by 2. Okay, so there are Tn they have given last term. Okay, that is 3 by 32. They are asking us to find the value of n. Okay, so we are using the same formula. Tn is equal to AR n minus 1. Tn is 3 by 32. A is 96. R is 1 by 2 to the power. N we don't know, write as it is n minus 1. Okay, so 32 by 3 by 32 divided by 96 it is equal to 1 by 2 n minus 1. So divided by 96, so it will be written as 3 by 32 into 1 by 96, that is equal to 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay, so cross multiply this 2, you are getting 3 by 3072. So that is equal to 1 by 2 power n minus 1. See this try to divide it, you will get so it is divided by 3. So 1 by 1024 you will get is equal to 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1. So 1024 is you are getting it by 2 to the power 10. Okay, so 1 by 12. So I am just cancelling. See, in this step what you have to do is whatever the r value you are getting, try to find the square root of this power root of this number with respect to this. Okay, so that you can able to eliminate this part easily. So we'll remain with 10 is equal to n minus 1. So n is equal to 10 plus 1. So value of n is 11. Okay, like this we will going to calculate it. So taking this is very important. Whatever value you are having here, try to convert this also accordingly so that you can able to eliminate this part. Okay, so this is calculation of the term, that is value of n. Okay, well, we'll take it to the next question. See, find the 4th and 8th term of a geometric progression are 24 and 384 respectively. Find the 5th term. So here they have given information about T4 and T8, right? So given T4 is equal to 24, T8 is 384, and they are asking us to find T5. Okay, so Tn is equal to AR n minus 1. So T24 is equal to AR 4 minus 1. So this is 4 row, so n value is 4. So that you are getting it as 24 is equal to AR cube. Okay, this is, so I am doing T8 also here only. T8 is equal to AR n minus 1. So it is 8 is 384 is equal to AR 8 minus 1. So 384 AR to the power 7. Okay, so we got first and the second equation. So what we have to do is we have to divide the second by 1. Okay, so AR to the power 7 is equal to 384 divided by AR cube is equal to 24. So that is equal to, see here we are cancelling R to the R cube is cancelled and we are left with 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, so 24, 384 divided by 24, you are getting 16. Okay, so that is equal to R 4 root of 16, that is 2. Okay, so we got the value of R here, right? So this is the value of R. So put R is equal to 2 in any one of the equation. Okay, so I am taking the first one. So A 2 to the power cube is equal to 24. A to the power 24. A is equal to 24 by 8. So value of A is 3. Okay, value of A is 3. This is value of R. Okay, so after getting A and R, we can easily able to find T5, right? So T5 is equal to AR 5 minus 1, right? So A is 3, R is 2, 5 minus 1 is 4, 3 into 2 to the power 4 is 16. So 16 3s are 48. So T5 is 48. So this is how we have to calculate if they given information about certain terms and ask you to find the other terms. Okay, we'll take up the next part in this concept, that is sum to n terms of geometric progression. Okay, So look at the question. Find the sum of the sequence 3, 12, 48 to 8 terms. Okay. So here given information, A is equal to 3, R is equal to 12 by 3, that is, you will get 4. Okay, N is 8th term they have given. So that's why we are writing N as 8. And we are asking to find S8 sum. Okay, and see, I told you how to take the formulas with respect to calculation of sum based on the value of R. Okay, we have a 4 different formula when R is equal to 1, R is less than 1, R is greater than 1, and R is infinite. Okay, so here R is greater than 1. R is greater than 1, right? So accordingly, we are taking a formula for this. So that is Sn is equal to A R to the power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. So A value is 3, R value is 4, to the power n is 8 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 1. So here 3 into 4 to the power 8 is getting 65, 536 minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, so multiply this 3 into we are cancelling this 2, so you are getting 65535. So this is the value of S8. Okay, so this is how you have to calculate. Is that asking about the sum? Okay, we'll take up the next question. See, if the sum of n terms of geometric progression is 728, the first term is 2 and the common difference is 3. Find the number of terms. So here they have given the information about A is equal to 2, first term. Common ratio is 3 and sum of nth term, so that is Sn is equal to 728. They have given. N we don't know. Find the number of terms they asked. So N we don't know. See, here also value of R is greater than 1. Okay, so that's why we are taking the same formula. Sn is equal to A R to the power n minus 1 R minus 1. Sn is 728 they have given. Write it. 728 is equal to 2. R is 3 to the power n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Okay, so 728 is equal to 2, 3 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2. This is cancelled. So we got 728 is equal to 3 to the power n minus 1. Okay, so 728, I am shifting this one. So plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power n. So 729 is equal to 3 to the power n. Okay, we have to find the power of this with respect to 3. So we are getting 3 that is equal to 3 to the power 6 is equal to 3 to the power n. So 3 cancels, n is 6. Like this we have to calculate. Okay, finding this is bit okay. You have a calculation part with respect to that is easy. They are giving with the int only you can able to calculate. So 3 what is the power of 3 to get this number, that you have to find, so that we can cancel 3 and whatever the number you are getting as a power, that is the value of n. Okay, well we have taken 2 sums. One is calculation of a sum and another one is calculation of n. Okay, then the next one is, see, this kind of sum I have solved in arithmetic progression also, and I told you this is very important sum. Okay, same way, and geometric progression also they'll ask you to find the 3 terms. Okay, so this is also important from the examination point of view. Okay, so here the sum of 3 terms in geometric progression is minus 21 and the product is 125. Find the terms they asked. Okay, so here also we are assuming that the 3 terms be in geometric progression are, see, we are taking it as A by R, A R. Okay, so first we are considering the product. There we considered the sum, so here we are considering the product. So A by R, AR is equal to, what is the product? 125, right? See here we can able to cancel R, so you will get A cube is equal to 125, and we all know well A cube of 125 is 5, so A value is 5. Okay, so we got the value of A. So they have also given that their sum is so that's why we are taking A by R plus AR is equal to how much? Minus 21. So take the LCM here. So AR square by R is equal to 21. Okay, so cross multiply AR square is equal to, this is cross multiplication, you are getting this one 21R. Okay, so now we know the value of 5, right? 5 plus 5R plus 5R square is equal to 21R. Okay, so I am rewriting this according to the standard form of equation. So 5R square plus 21 plus 5 we have, so I'm writing it directly, or I'll write it as 20 for 1R, 5R plus 5 is equal to 0. We are adding this 2, so 5R square plus 26R plus 5 is equal to 0. See, we got the equation 5R square 26R plus 5. Okay, so we have to solve this equation. So solve the equation either with the factorization method or formula method. So I am going with factorization method. So I am writing it as this one. This part I am doing here. Okay, so 5R square plus 21R plus 1R plus 5 is equal to 0. So I am find the factor for this 26. Okay, see 5 R I am taking out, you are getting R plus 25, sorry, R 5 it is. Okay, R plus 5 plus 1 R plus 5 is equal to 0. So 5R plus 1 R plus 5 is equal to 0. So 5R is equal to 1, R is equal to 1 by 5, R is equal to minus 5. Okay, so here also we got the value of R. Two different R we got. One is R is 1 by 5 and R is minus 5. So when we got the value of A and R, we can able to find the three terms, right? So the required terms is when R is equal to 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Okay, and then R is equal to minus 5. Okay, right. A by R, AR. What is the value of A? 5 by minus 1 by 5. 5 into minus 1 by 5. Okay, so you are getting minus 25, 5, 1. See, we have cancelled here, and this one will be like 5 by 1 into 5 by 1, the cross multiplication. So it will become minus 25. So here also A by R, AR, 5 minus 5, 5 into, plus 5 into minus 5. Okay, so cancel this 1, 5, plus into minus 25. Okay, you will get the same numbers only with the different order, that's it. Okay, so this is how we have to calculate the three terms with respect to geometric progression. Okay, So then we'll take up the last part of this concept, that is geometric mean. Right? So geometric mean, I'm taking two sums as it is find the geometric mean of 6 and 24. So when they are asking about finding two terms, we know geometric mean is equal to root of A into B. Okay, so it is 6 into 24, you are getting 144, so it is 12. 12 is the geometric mean of 6 and 24. So the sum will be asked for 2 marks. So next question, we have insert a geometric mean between 1 and 32. 4 geometric mean they are asking us to insert. Okay, so here A is 1, T is 6. If we are inserting like 1, G1, G2, G3, G4, 32. How many terms will get 6, right? So that's why it is T6 is equal to 32, N is equal to 6, and R is question mark. Okay, find this. Tn is equal to AR n minus 1. Tn is 32, A is 1, R is 6 minus 1. So 32, 1, R to the power 5. Okay, so 2 to the power 5 is equal to R to the power 5. 2 is equal to R. Okay, so now we have to calculate G1. Okay, G1 is equal to G1 is the second term, so G1 is T2 AR 2 minus 1. Okay, so you're getting it as 1 2 to the power 1. Okay, 2 to the power 1 is 2, so G1 is 2. Similarly, we have to find the G2. Okay, G2 is equal to T3, third term, AR 3 minus 1, that is equal to 1 into 2 to the power 2, 4 you will get. G3 we find, that is T4, AR 4 minus 1, A is 1, R is 2 to the power 3, 8 you will get. Okay, then G4, T5, AR 5 minus 1, 1 into 2 to the power 4, so you are getting 16. Okay, so G1, G2, G3, G4, G2, G3, G4. So therefore the 4 geometric means are 2, 4, 8, 16. This is how you have to calculate the geometric means. Okay, so hope you can able to solve the sums based on the example. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.